In this lecture, we will download and install Unity Hub. Let's open up our web browser and go to the following URL: https://unity3d.com/getunity/download. Then we will click the Download Unity Hub button. We will click on the file that is downloading to open it up when it finishes. Then we will be taken to Unity Hub's license agreement. We will click the I agree button. Then we will be prompted to select a location for the program. The default location is inside of the Program Files folder. I am okay with this destination, so I will click Install. If you want to change the location, you can click the Browse button, select the desired location, and then click the Install button to install Unity Hub. We will see a progress bar that will advance as the program installs. Finally, we will see the window display the message completing the Unity Hub setup. The checkbox allows us to specify whether or not we want to run Unity Hub when closing this dialog. The Finish button allows us to finish the installation process and close the dialog. In the next lecture, we will download and install Unity.